Hello and welcome back to VA WRX. Today is going to be kind of a quick video, more of a disclaimer for some people that are doing stage 2 on their WRX. I made a mistake. I forgot something very important that I did not remove out of one of the vacuum tubes after installing the Jpipe. I actually should have done it at the shop when we installed the Jpipe. It's actually the secondary restrictor pill that's in one of the vacuum tubes that is connected to the turbo. So that needs to be removed in order for you to allow more, I guess, wastegate duty cycle. I'm not 100% sure, but long story short, it allows you to boost a little bit higher, and the tuner is expecting that. So I was actually talking to my e-tuner about it, and he said just go ahead and remove it. And the next tune, I actually have the next revision of the tune, which we'll talk about in a different video, that is set up to not have the restrictor pill, but I can't put it on until I remove it. So I'm gonna get the car on Rhino ramps. We don't really need a whole lot of space today. It's actually really quick, so I'm not gonna take a whole lot of time explaining the removal. We'll just show you the vacuum tube, where the tube is located, and how to take out the pill. It seems really easy. So stick around and let's get this done. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. This is the tubing that we need to deal with, and it's actually connected right here. We need to take that clamp off, and there is a restrictor pill on the inside. I'm just going to use some pliers to pull out. Honestly, should not be an issue at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I ended up just coming inside because I'm getting a headache laying underneath the car. I think I'm getting some sort of temporary vertigo, which is really, really annoying. Anyway, I came inside also to double check COBB as a PDF that shows exactly where you need to go. I accidentally said it was on this side. It is actually on this shorter side. There's a little golden pill on the inside that we're going to remove. I ended up just using some needle nose pliers to get these clamps off, which is pretty easy. And I need to move it a little bit more. And I think I can squeeze it out using like regular pliers, I believe, that's what I'm going to try. I'm not 100% sure if I can. I have to find exactly where it is. You can get another one if you want, but, you know, why? We don't really need to do that. I think it's coming out little by little. Yeah, it's coming out little by little. There it is. That was it. All it is just this tiny little thingy-mabobber right there, and that's it. So I'm just gonna go and plug this back up. That was the whole thing. There is a space issue when you're down there, but it's really not that big a deal. So that's it. Once you have this removed, obviously your tune needs to account for it, and that's that's the whole thing. So thanks for watching. If you have any trouble, let me know. I'll actually link the PDF that COBB has in the description, so if you need it. Anyway, see you guys.